into the turning drum. A chemical reaction occurs in the tanning process, transforming the raw hides into this wet blue fabric. Workers lay out the hides on a stainless steel table and flatten them with rollers to remove wrinkles. Once the skins are flat, the plate moves upwards and heats up the fabric through the vacuum drying process, which removes the remaining moisture. Coupled vacuum and vapor compression suck the humidity out of the hides. To finalize the drying process, the skins hang to dry at room temperature, exposed to air. A rotary spray applies a thin coat of paint on the external layer of the hides. It sprays through high-pressure nozzles, similar to automotive paint guns. These finished full-grain hides show the natural grain pattern of top-quality leather. Workers lay out the full hide flat on a cutting table and get ready to dress up the seat. A tailor lines out the areas with slight imperfections in chalk to keep only the top-grade leather for the seat upholstery. He takes a template and selects a segment of the hide to make the piece. He places a weight on top of the template to keep it from moving while he traces the cut line with a fine white pencil. Each part is tailored for a different end use. The steering wheel, dashboard, panels, and gear stick covers. The head and armrests, or in this case, the seats. The tailor carefully cuts the piece using fine precision scissors to shape the leather garment down to the finest details. A worker stitches the parts together using an industrial leather sewing machine. Automotive sector sewing requires high-quality threads that are both robust and durable. The thread's resistance to scuffing and high temperature is about as important as the quality of the stitches and the overall finish of the sewing. A carbon fiber skeleton, padded with premium automotive open cell polyurethane foam, hides underneath the leather upholstery. The assembly steps are meticulous. The tailor applies glue on the seat padding cushion high-density cushion and presses it onto the adhesive. He traces vertical cutting marks and horizontal margins before he takes a foam cutting saw to trim the cushion at an angle. Creating a nice curve in the seat maximizes the pilot and passenger's comfort. With another precision hand tool, the tailor polishes the foam before he glues the cushion on the carbon fiber structure. He lines up a guide mark on the cushion with the center of the seat to make sure it's perfectly balanced. He then covers the foam cushion with a fine leather upholstery and repeats the process for the headrest and lower back section of the bespoke leather seat.